Good day everyone. Welcome to my video lesson. I'm Teacher Al and today we are going to explore the wonderful world of music and arts quarter 2 week 6. Learning objectives. I have a fun song to help us remember the kinds of food that make us strong and healthy. It's called Kumain ng Tama and we'll sing it to the tune of Liron Liron Sinta. Are you ready? Sing along with me. Kumain ng itlog, ikaw ay lulusog. Uminom ka ng gatas, ikaw ay lalakas. Kumain ng gulay, hahaba ang buhay. Kumain ng tama, ikaw ay sisigla. Kumain ng candy, ngipi magbubungi. Uminom ka ng soft drinks, ang tiyan mo'y sasakit. Kapag nagchichirya, katawan mo'y hihina. Kumain ng tama, ikaw ay sisigla. Okay, so remember, eat right to stay bright. Remember, when there is a celebration, there is feasting. So what do you call those foods in the pictures? Have you tried eating such? If so, can you describe the taste? If not, would you like to try someday? Good. So trying new healthy foods can be exciting because you discover new flavors. So remember, the more variety, the better for our bodies. Food serves as much more than simply physical sustenance. Food is life itself, home, love, vitality, hope, and redemption. Any facet of a person's or culture's past or identity can be represented through food as a symbol. So in conclusion, food isn't just what keeps us alive, it connects us to family, traditions, and memories. Think of a dish that makes you happy or reminds you of home. Maybe something special your parents or grandparents cook. So what dishes make you think of home? The Benguet people have the belief that there are invisible entities originating from the underworld and sky world. These invisible entities, known as spirits, are believed to possess influence over humankind. It is also thought that man can control these invisible entities, sometimes known as spirits, for his own benefit. With this concept, the people perform ritualistic prayers and material offerings in an attempt to gain the spirit's favor. Through rituals, prayers, and offerings, they seek blessings and protection, showing how culture shapes interactions with the unseen. So what do you think about these beliefs and practices? Accordingly, an Igorot who is considerate does not use up all of his or her what at once. One must carry home his what, which also represents bringing good fortune home, as that is a portion of wealth and luck that is being shared and has been blessed by countless individuals and spirits. So therefore, again, we conclude that for the Igorot, what isn't just food, it's a symbol of luck and blessings. Rather than consuming it all, they bring some home as it represents shared wealth and good fortune blessed by the community and spirits. Lesson activity, portray a scene. Now this time, let us have your takeaways. Complete the following sentences. I learned that, I realized that, I appreciated that. For example, I learned that the Benguet people believe in spirits from the underworld and sky world and perform rituals to gain their blessings. I realized that cultural beliefs are important because they guide people's actions and connect them to their traditions. I appreciated that the Benguet people value both their ancestors and their community through these meaningful practices. Let's go over what we've learned from this lesson by doing this activity. Describe your learning session or journey based on the first letter of your name. Example, I am Rochelle. My name starts with letter R, reliable. Now, for your homework, write a brief reflection on your understanding of the rituals conducted in Kanyao celebration and how they relate to one's faith or beliefs. Write this on paper. That's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you.